Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install sportzfy on your laptop. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this method works perfectly. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. sportzfy is an Android app, so to run it on your laptop, we need an Android emulator. The best free emulator is BlueStacks or LD Player. In this video, I'll use LD Player because it is lightweight and works smoothly even on low RAM laptops. Open your browser and type ldplayer.net. Now click on the download button. Once the file is downloaded, open it and install the emulator just like any normal software. Now that LD Player is installed, minimize everything and download the sportzfy APK. I've added the download link in the description below. Once the APK is downloaded, drag and drop it inside LD Player. The installation will start automatically. After installation, you'll see the sportzfy icon inside LD Player. Just click on it to open the app. Now allow all permissions and the app will load normally, just like it works on Android phones. If your laptop is slow, close other apps before running sportzfy. You can also increase RAM and CPU allocation for LD Player from the settings menu to get smoother performance. So that's how you can install sportzfy on your laptop easily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.